Here, back for I'd guess call it my first actual marketing training, and what we're going to talk to today is something I've been kind of involved with for a little over a year, and it is ongoing. It's something I'm getting better and better at, and learning more about, and it's just blogging. It's having something out there that's something that you like to do, something that you're interested in, and what blogging does, it gives you the potential to create unique content that's yours. It's nobody else's out there. This is what you're putting out there on the internet. It's who you are. You make posts that you can share with basically the internet world, the people out there, and share your knowledge with them. And blogging is can be super powerful. I'm seeing how marketers out there are generating 20, 30, 50 leads a day just with their blog, just using blogging, and building a full-time business, just becoming very good at blogging. It's an incredible uh, marketing idea, technique, strategy, and probably the reason I'm teaching this first is probably the most important thing um, I think you can do online. Even if you don't start with blogging first, it should be right there in the back of your mind, saying that yes, I do need to start a blog, because a blog is kind of, I don't know, the cornerstone of marketing, so to speak. You have the blog, and everything else um, that you can do out there, social media and everything, you can drive traffic to your blog, and your blog is kind of your sales platform. And what you do, there's WordPress.org blogs or .com blogs. .com blogs are hosted by WordPress themselves. You can get that for free at .com. The .org is the way I recommend going. You'll have to have hosting, like through HostGator or something, and then you'll have to choose a name. Um, like BryceWooder.com is where my main blog's at. So you would choose a domain name, and then you would basically just change your DNS settings from where you buy the domain, and you ship it over to your hosting account, or you get your DNS, or I don't know. It gets a little confusing, but if you decide to start a blog, I'll definitely help you out. It's not super difficult, especially if you go through a company like HostGator or something like that. It's not too hard to get that blog started out there. Um, then there's also blogger.com, which is owned by Google, and you can set up a blog there to start and start making your own posts and stuff like that. And they can be pretty SEO effective, depending on how you use your keywords and stuff. But the WordPress.org sites, the more I learn about them and how you can use your search engine optimization by how you utilize your keywords and stuff, it's pretty powerful. I'm kind of amazed at how fast some of my posts can reach the first page of Google, depending on how competitive the keyword is and stuff. And that's just from BryceWooder.com. As long as I use keywords in my and do the posts and everything effectively, they can rank really high, really fast, and it's a good way to drive traffic to your offers and stuff. Um, like I say, with the blogs, you can do what I call powerful search engine optimization links with your keywords. Like I say, this has been a good thing for me, and I'm getting better and better with it. But what I'm talking about here is you got your domain name or your blog, so www.domainname.com, and then in your blogs you can set up your links to have a category and then have your title. So let's say I want to do a review about a certain product. All I would do is, obviously I've got my domain name, www.brycewooder.com. I'm going to set up a category called review or reviews, and then I'm going to go after the keyword that that I want to target. So if there's a new affiliate product out there that I want to do a review on, I'm going to have the category reviews, and then I'm going to, in the title, put the name of that product, and with the word review in the title, and then that's going to create a very search engine optimized link from my blog to compete for the keyword I'm after. It's pretty powerful technique here, and like I say, you can set up as many categories in a blog as you want, and then the title becomes, keywords you're going after. Then obviously when you do your post, you're going to target those keywords. You're going to come up with you're going to use that keyword in your post, and then you're going to use keywords that are similar to that keyword in your post. And by doing that, like I say, once you get this down, it's a pretty effective technique. Another powerful thing about the WordPress.org blogs is the plugins. There's just an infinite amount of plugins that you can use on your blog, depending on how you want to utilize it. I have a very cool plugin I use that automatically syndicates my content to, say, like 12 other sites. So I make one post, I can use my keyword as an anchor, and it syndicates out to like 12 other sites. So I write one post, and it gets posted to several other 2.0 properties out there, and it gives me a chance to get more traffic, expands it can actually help me rank quicker using this technique, but very powerful. You can have plugins for Twitter, so when you do a blog post, it automatically posts to Twitter. You can do have bookmarks, so when you write your post, it can be bookmarked. You can put AdSense, have plugins for AdSense. There's a plugin I use called Comment Love. Really cool plugin, and what you do is when you write your post, if you go out and post comments on other people's blogs, which is highly recommended because it can help build links to your blog and help you rank even better. But when you write a comment, if the other blogger has that Comment Love plugin, it leaves your post right at the bottom of your comment. Now, don't go out and spam people. You really want to read the blog post, and you want to write something um, like knowing that they know that you read their blog posts. Just don't go out there and try to get your link out to thousands of blogs by posting garbage out there. Make sure you read their post, make a legitimate comment on it, and then it will leave your the last post you wrote right at the bottom of your comments. Pretty cool plugin. Like I say, there's plugins. It's called All-in-One SEO. It helps you put the title, the description, and some tags that helps the SEO rankings of your posts. And like I say, you're always going after certain keywords. I usually write stuff mostly depending on keywords. Sometimes I'll just write a post to write a post, but a lot of times I am going after something specific on Google to target to try and get more traffic to my blog. The next thing you can do is just build links and to help you rank higher. As your blog gets older and gets seasoned, gets out there in Google longer, you can increase what they call PR rankings. Google gives sites like a PR ranking, like how pertinent it is to your um, niche, so to speak, and can help you even rank faster and faster. So you want to build lots of links to your blog constantly as you're making posts. You got links, you can put links in there and stuff. So basically you want to always be building links to your blog to help rank higher. Like I say, there's so much to learn about blogging. I'm not going to be able to teach you all here in 10 minutes to be a professional blogger, but I just want to let you know how important it is and how powerful just your linking structure can be with a blog, just to get you, top maybe not top spot in Google, but front page. Um, Pretty powerful. You can take the videos that you make and put them on your blog posts. Just a lot of things. Like I say, blogging's probably, I'm gonna call it probably the number one thing you can do out there. If you look at every successful online marketer, um, to me, everybody I follow looks like they all got a blog. All right, they got their own blog, and it's a WordPress.org blog that's hosted on their. They have their own hosting account, and they buy their own domain name, and then they market from there. So hope you enjoy this training, and look forward to getting you some more training out there. Thanks.